Today we are going to discuss about another predefined functional interface, that is int predicate, predicate and double predicate. So far we have discussed predicate, our this one like normal predicate and by predicate. So far we have discussed. Now it's the time to discuss int predicate, float predicate and double predicate. What is the use of that? Okay, so let me tell you, explain this concept with the example, with the help of an example, right? Let me write the main method. So for example, we have a array of array is equals to int array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is the array we have. Okay, so we just wanted to print whether whatever the number inside this are even or not. Whoever the number having even, that we want to test. Okay, so how we can achieve that? So simply we have to write the predicate. Okay, predicate of type integer, predicate integer, because if you see, int is not there, int type is not there. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to write the integer, the object type. Okay, so let me take this one. This is the predicate is equals to, what is the predicate? If you provide a number, then I will let me write the lambda. If you provide a number, if the number if modulus 2 equals to 0, then that number is even. This is the condition. This is the predicate. Okay, this is the condition we are going to. This will provide the number is even or not. So in order to test this, which number is even, so what we have to do? We have to iterate this array. So for that I am going to take enhance follow, like I am writing int number or int num and from this array, right, from this array. So what I will do, I will check if this predicate dot test, and I will pass this individual number, whichever is number satisfying this condition, then I am going to print that number. Okay, system dot out that number. Okay, this is the things I am just going to print. So what it will do, let me try to run that. Okay, I will explain. So we found that 2 4 6 8 10, these are the even number, that is printing. Okay, so carefully understand. So what we are doing, this is the predicate we have taken. Okay, this is the predicate. So what we are passing, we are iterating this array and providing each individual number. First 1 2, then 3 4. This is the things we are passing. So this number is of type what? This number is of type integer. So we are passing integer. So it will go to the predicate and perform the operation, and it will convert to the integer type. So this is the primitive type. Primitive type is going to convert into the wrapper type. Integer, float, double, all these things are wrapper type, right? So there is a conversion. So I have taken 10 integers, right? So it is converting how many times? Like number integer to primitive to integer, like wrapper to integer. Some conversion is there. So if I'm having a huge number of lists, then it is going to impact the performance, is not it? So in order to overcome this issue, the performance issue, what the Java people did, that they have introduced one more predicate, that is int predicate. Okay, so let me copy this same code. What I am going to do here is, let me separate this one by one some symbol, right? This is the things, and after that what I'm going, instead of this predicate in wrapper type, what I can do, I can take int predicate, that is provided int predicate. Okay, int predicate p, int predicate p is equal to this one. This is the predicate. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to pass this, instead of predicate I am going to pass this predicate. Okay, so if I perform the operation, this is the type int. Okay, represents a predicate boolean value function of int valued argument. This is special designs. This is a special type of predicate that is provided by the Java people. Okay, int valued argument. This is the int consuming primitive type specialization of predicate. This is a special kind of predicate. Okay, specially designed for the primitive type, int value type. Okay, so if I run then we are going to get the same output, but the conversion is not there. Okay, so that will give the better performance as compared to the above one, because here we are getting the conversion like the performance we will get, and here we will not get the performance issue because no conversion is there. Okay, for that purpose the Java people has provided. Okay, so that is all about the int predicate. That is the specialization of predicate. Okay, let me show you one thing. So this is this predicate having the test method. If I go to inside the, okay, if I go inside the test method, it is taking the wrapper object. Okay, and if I go to this test method, this test method, this test method is taking int value. Okay, this is designed as part of the special type of int predicate. Okay, special type of predicate. Okay, I hope this predicate, normal predicate and int predicate, you got the difference, right? When to use this one, int predicate, and when to use the predicate. Whenever we have the object type, in that case we can make use of this normal predicate, and whenever we have the primitive type, in that case we can use int predicate. So similarly, in case of int, if there is a requirement of to handle to work with the double or float type, then in that case we can use the, instead of int, simply we can do what we can do, we can write double predicate. So we have to import this one, or else, or what we can do, we can write float. So float, so we have to import this one. Okay, okay, so all these things are there, that is there, so no need to worry. I hope the what is the predicate, what is the purpose of int, float and double predicate, that you understood, right? Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with the new predefined functional interface. Okay.